Hello everyone, welcome to the part 2 MCQ of plant anatomy. Okay, let's start without delay. Question number 1. Component of the plant having no nucleus. That's answer is with phloem in the center and surrounded by the xylem. If phloem is its center, is called amphicryval. If xylem is a center, that's called amphiscrival, and if phloem is its center, that's called amphivascal. Radial xylem and phloem are alternate collateral. If present is the side and radius is different, they are called collateral. One of the following living component One of the following living component are wood parenchyma in the xylem. The xylem is The xylem in the root is exerting condition. The function of sclerenchyma is called mechanical support. Hypodermis in sclerenchyma helps in is hypodermis in monocotyledon is sclerenchymatose and in dicot cholenchymatose. And cambium of dicot root is pericycle. Periderm consists of secondary cortex, cork, and cork cambium. With the increasing the secondary groove, increase in the hardwood diameter. Both plastid and spongy mesophile of leaf functions synthesize sugar. Primary growth involve activity of apical meristem. Phloems help in the food conduction. Jute fibers are obtained from the blast fibers. Capsaicin strips are found in endodermis. Hardness of seed coat is due to the sclerenchymatous fibers, also known as endodermis is also known as star seed. Cork cells are airtight due to suberin. Which of the following tissue is only found in the dicot plant? Chlorenchyma is only found in the dicot plant. Name the condition in which the xylem is surrounded by the both outer, that's called collateral. Lateral meristem is responsible for the growth of the thickness. In some breast hypophytes, there is no stomata. Amphicrival. If xylem is it present, that's called crival. And here is amphivasal if phloem is at the center. And radial if there is different radius in xylem and phloem, that is called radial. It is found in the monocot and dicot root. And collateral if the phloem at it says that the cambium is present. We saw the secondary growth yucca. The monocot plant we saw the secondary growth are Dracena, Ogib, and yucca at the rate DAY. Stele in monocot root is all part inside into dermis. If there is the pit, that is called cypnostele, and eusetilis if the vascular bundle are arranged in the described radius in dicot stem. Here is eusetily is found, and ectactostele if vascular bundle are scattered. It is found in the monocot stem. Meristelium are formed in the hands. Yam A T E. Yam refers to the monocot, A refers to etatostele, and T refers to dicot stem, and E refers to the eusetele. A meristem responsible for extrastellar secondary growth is phalogen. Bidirectional translocation of mineral takes place in phloem. Concentric vascular bundles are always closed, move toward the tip of the root hair, arising from the epidermal cell nucleus. In which of the following stele pith is found? Spenostele, prosencyma present in pericycle. Nutrition for developing microceph are provided by tapetum. Deal with internal structure of plant called anatomy. Correct statement. Internal structure are also show the adaptation of the diverse environment. Or tissue is the group of cell having a common origin and always a common root. It is more suitable than usually. Depending on the weather, cell being formed are capable of dividing into types. Find the example of primary meristem, apical and intercalary. Apical meristem present at the root and the shoot apex. Axillary pod is present in axil of leaf, capable of forming branch and flower. Which tissue occur in the grasses and trees generate plant remove intercalary. The meristem that occur in the mesoregion of the root and shoot of many plants, particularly by those that produce the woody axis and appear later than the primary. That is called secondary or lateral meristem. Example of lateral meristem: fascicular, co-cambium, interfascicular cambium. Interfascicular is a later form and interfascicular is already formed. The newly formed cell from primary and secondary meristem which becomes straight and lose the ability to repeat, that is the foramen tissue and major cell. During the formation of primary plant body, the specific region of the apical meristem, epidermis, ground tissue, vascular tissue, dermal ground tissue, vascular tissue, foramen tissue, which have cells similar structure and function, are called simple tissue. Different structure and function, complex tissue. Most tissue abundant in plant organ, parenchyma. Parenchyma is made up of cellulose, collenchyma cellulose, hemicellulose, pectose, sclerenchyma, lignin. Here, colenchyma is thick at the corner near the deposition of cellulose, hemicellulose, and pector. Intercellular space absent, which simple tissue is characterized by the sclerenchyma. Sclerates are spherical over cylindrical, highly thickened dead body. Secondary thickening in the colenchyma is due to the hemicellulose, uh, pectin, and cellulose, on the basis of which classify the structure, origin, and development. Sclerite are present in the crop of the peas, guava, pea, and splodia. Sclerite are present in the fruit wall of nuts, seed coat of legumes, leaf of tea. Tissue dead and without protoplastic enzymatose. Colenchyma tissue is characterized by the isotrimetic cell with deposit of cellulose and pectin at the corner. In which way colenchyma differ from the sclerenchyma, retaining protoplasma at maturity. Wall of sclerenchymatose are lignified. Colenchyma differ from the parenchyma in having the pectin deposit at corner. Which of the following are simple tissue? Parenchyma, colenchyma, and sclerenchyma. Xylem and phloem are complex. Common types of ornament found in all plant. Parenchyma. Which of the following tissue keep tensile against the bending and swelling? Colenchyma. Or simple mechanical tissue devoid to lignin? Colenchyma. The primary plant body is made up of meristematic tissue, simple tissue, complex tissue, not by secondary tissue. Hard lignified thick wall sclerenchyma fibers, or thick wall lignified simple mechanical tissue sclerenchyma. Types of cell are present in complex tissue more than one. Function of xylem: conduct water, mineral, mechanical strength. Xylem is composed of four elements. Gymnosperm lack vessel in the xylems. Here correct meaning: tractate, elongated, xylem fiber living, disease living, obliterated central lumens, tapering ends. Xylem parenchyma stores. S, so FTS refer to starch, F refer to fat, and T refers to tannin. Phloem parenchyma is precine, latex, and mucilage. Here correct statement: basal members are interconnected through the perforation in the common wall. Presence of basal is characteristic feature of angiosperm. Radial conduction of water is taken by the parenchymatous cell. Protoplasm is absent except trachyte vessel, except xylem parenchyma. Tracheids is absent. The primary xylem element form are called protoxylem and secondary xylem form is called metaxylem. In stem, protoxylem lie toward the fifth center. In stem protoxylem, there is the indirect condition. STD, stem indirect arrangement.